Hi guys, in this particular video we're going to look at the concept of, or rather the discovery of the concept of radioactivity. And basically, as we said, this particular phenomenon has wide applications in our day-to-day lives, especially in the medical field and the energy. So therefore, it's of essence for us to appreciate the historical context under which this specific phenomenon was founded, and the different areas where it has advanced to the present understanding of the concept of radioactivity. So in a sense, I'm going to look at the work of, in a summary, Anthony Henry Becquerel. And of course, we're going to see that some of the units that we're going to use in the description of this radioactive phenomena are going to be in terms of Becquerel. So therefore, it's of fundamental relevance for us to try and figure out what are some of his contributions. So in this case, Henry Becquerel discovered that uranium, which is an element, a rather uranium compound emitted in visible radiations, which of course, upon doing experiment, or rather trying to display the sense of curiosity, discovered that the blackened photographic plate, the ionized gas, and the uranium crystals fogged photographic plates. And this, in a sense, made him to have an intuition of trying to figure out what are some of these characteristics of this specific material. And therefore, he concluded that the process that was occurring from, of course, this particular unique behavior was the concept of radiation or radioactivity, as we're going to say. So therefore, if we try to look at this, we can be able to credit the work of Henry Becquerel as the one who founded the concept of radioactivity. And there are some subsequent works of various scientists like Maria Curie and Pierre Curie, who did further investigations on the aspects of polonium and radium, whereby they also discovered that these specific materials were radioactive. And some of the contributions of, like Henry Wilhelm Geiger, who of course is credited for the Geiger counter that's laid the foundation for quantification of these specific radiations, are therefore going to come handy. And in collaboration with the works of Ernest Rutherford, who had of course come to discover, or rather describe, the concept of alpha and beta rays, and set some rules for radioactive decay, and of course identified some alpha particles as helium nuclei, of course, are going to assist us in trying to understand how the advancement of this concept of radioactivity went over time. So this specific case is going to be, of course, relevant for us. And catch us in our other videos. They're going to look at the various contributions in summary form of various scientists who are going to assist us try to understand various concepts that we come across, especially in topics of physics and chemistry. So that is it for now, guys. Bye. God bless you. Catch us in our next video.